Right, here we've got our entry level table. This is a 6 foot table. It's made by Riley, circa 1930s. Originally it would have been a snooker dining table, but it's lost its table leaves and rise and fall mechanism, so we've had to extend the legs just to turn it into a playing table. Hopefully we're going to get this competitively priced. It's really nice oak, nice piece of English oak. Hopefully you can see. The pocket levers and nets will be replaced. They'll be antiqued and stained and then fitted, and it still needs the cushions to be rubbered, but the cushions will be rubbered and covered and a new bedcloth fitted. It will come with a starter kit, not quite as big as our usual one, because we're trying to get the price down on this. It's got a small little scoreboard, and it's going to have snooker and pool balls, triangles, and a couple of cues. Right, hopefully you've got an idea what it looks like. Thanks very much.